Sandy, show them what you're really like, okay? Show them the person that you're really like. Show them the bitch that you are.
I'm such a bitch, but look what I have to deal with. Anyways, there was a lot of confusion. At first, there was only the one side was going up, and then both sides, and nobody could make their mind up of which side, northbound or southbound, was going first. The big guy acquisition, the huge yacht in front, he's the one that's making the decisions.
Yeah, we have just entered Fort Lauderdale, the yachting capital of the world, people. Oh yeah. Things just got real here. That's Sandy standing on the side. Look at the size of this floating Fort Lauderdale is really not set up to for transient people like myself. Very expensive. They really I feel they look down a little bit on us. They cater to the mega yachts, okay? People that you know, take 8 hours to fill up their tank, and that's a fact. 8 hours, you know. And I pull in with a jerry can, and it costs $16. Well, these dock attendants are used to getting tips, like, you know, on a fill up of, let's say, $8,000 or something like that. You know, the guy flips them some money. Well, you know, for me, all I can tell you is, you know, plant your corn early. That's my tip. All right, guys, it was a short day today. We are in Fort Lauderdale eating leftover pizza right now.
For lunch. It's beautiful. All the beautiful people are here.
I want to thank you guys again for following along. Any comments are appreciated.
Comments, advice,
and negativity.
Yeah, that's fine too.
That's fine. We can head out. There's lots to go around.
It's Wednesday, January the 26th, just before 8 a.m. It's Wednesday, January the 26th, just before 8 a.m. We're heading up to our last bridge before we head out of the Port of Everglades channel to start our passage on the outside to get to the north end of Biscayne Bay.
Sandy, how was your trip today?
Very lumpy and very lumpy ride today. Lots of waves. The wind really wasn't so bad, but the wind was on our nose and just uncomfortable. But I took Gravol last night and then this morning, so I was able to maintain myself as long as I didn't go downstairs too much. But it all worked out.
That's true. You take Gravol. You prepare yourself for passages on the outside.
Yeah, I need to do that until my body gets acclimatized to the motion, which yesterday was the first real day that we had a lot of motion.
That was today, actually, hon.
Or, yeah, sorry. Today.
We just got in.
Yeah, I know. It feels like a long time. It was a long day.
It was a long day, wasn't it?